Good morning, class 8th, Social and Political Life, chapter number 2, Understanding Secularism. Word secularism means the state does not interfere in religious matter and religion has no role to play in the governance of the country. It does not endorse any religion. Here it means state and state means country. Country did not represent a particular religion. Why India prefers secularism in the preamble? India prefers secularism over embracing one religion as a state religion because of its belief in the basis principle of equality. India is home to many religions and each has contributed in shaping the culture of India. India is secular where all religions are equal and we will give equal respect to all religion, state, and politics. In democracy, it is really very important that religion and state power are separated with one another. Some religions are practiced widely and some are followed by a smaller number of people or minority of the people. The basic tenets of democracy, liberty, and equality ensure that discrimination on the basis of religion is eradicated irrespective of number of people following it. Because India in its preamble we have liberty and equality, so we should not dominate majority of the population, did not dominate any of the minority. Interpretation of religion. A modern democratic polity offers the freedom to practice a religion of your choice. An individual cannot be forced to practice the religion he or she is born into if he or she wishes to follow other religion. In secular India, citizens enjoy the freedom to follow any religion of their choice. They can move or shift to other religion. Next is secularism in India. According to the Constitution of India, a secular state must ensure that there is no inter-religion community dominance. Here, inter is prefix, international religious community domination, and second point is there is no intra, I-N-T-R-A. Intra is within the country religious community domination, and there is no state religion, and the religion freedom of individual is guaranteed. Practices which explain the secular nation of Indian states are displaying national symbol and not religious symbols in government and any other important public building, avoiding restrictions of the morning prayers to any one religion in all the government school, celebrating all the religious with fervor and enthusiasm in all the public offices. Why secularism is important? The basic aim of secularism is to prevent anyone from mistreating anyone else on the grounds of religious beliefs. In particular, secularism aims to prevent one religious community from dominating another. If one is in majority, he or she religious group did not dominate any of the minority community. Next point, prevent one group within a religious community from dominating another. Prevent the state from forcing the people to follow any particular religion or from taking away their religious freedom. This is important for any democracy because a democratic country is supposed to ensure that all citizens are treated equally, irrespective of their religious belief. Difference between Western secularism and Indian secularism. Western secularism. In Western countries, secularism means complete breach between state and religion. The legislator did not interfere in the matter of religion. Under no circumstances can the state interfere in religion or interferes in state affairs. Indian secularism to ensure equality of all religion and religious community. If the state has to intervene by making law and allowing or banning certain practices, for example untouchability, the state can interfere in Hindu caste system and abolish the practice of untouchability. Every religious community is allowed to run its own institution, included educational institution. The real spirit of Indian Secularism is tolerance and peaceful coexistence. And here's the summary of the chapter. In a secular country, the state is not aligned to any religion. People of all religious faith have equal rights and the freedom to practice their religion. In India, the state may prohibit the religious practices if they violate the rights and freedoms guaranteed by the Constitution. Next, India also relaxed laws to allow people the freedom to practice their religion. And end of the chapter, there are important terms. Endorse declares one public approval or support of, intends a principle or a belief. Thank you, all of you.